Welcome back to the Studio Shangri-La podcast. This episode is resuming course on the article Maximizing Human Regenerative Processes. And this is the final part, Deep Learning Biology, in order to realize immortality. The original article commences with a photo of human dermal fibroblasts. The pieces necessary to live indefinitely are already in place. Each of us inhabits a powerful vessel, the human body, with vast potential. After all, look at how far life has come. We can continue knowing ourselves even better in the 21st century and beyond, and appreciate the fascinating intricacies of our composition. This part 4 analyzes a few of the many regenerative biological processes already at work for us, as well as how they can be augmented. The first example of regeneration is the repair of the skin. Considered the largest organ and first line of immune defense, the dermis undergoes regular maintenance. And when damaged, specialized engineer cells called fibroblasts synthesize a matrix structure made of partly collagen and elastin to repair the site. Remarkably, there are 28 known types of collagen throughout the body, and the shape-shifting fibroblasts determine which kind to make for the given task. Here's a quotation. "The fibroblast is a malleable cell, capable of altering its function and physiology, or even transforming into a new cell type, based on its location within the body." That's from Extracellular Matrix and Dermal Fibroblast Function in the Healing Wound by Tracy, Minassian, and Caterson. One approach to upgrade dermal healing and enhance tissue regeneration is already in use: laser healing and light therapy. Non-invasive red LED light therapy, for example, has been proven effective for maintenance and prevention, and shows significant clinical and aesthetic promise, being it's a non-invasive. This non-thermal photobiomodulation alters cellular function with light in the spectral range from 600 to 1300 nanometers, which accelerates and stimulates healing and repair, resulting in improved overall skin health and increased intradermal collagen density. Low power or cold laser healing can also be used for more serious repair, given the non-damaging stimulatory effect on cells. Overall, light therapy is crossing over from cosmetics into general medicine. Reportedly, the Air Force and Pentagon have been funding research on laser and nanotech healing at the molecular level, including the likes of a spray on skin. Most recently, the Air Force Research Lab with the University of Michigan have been developing rapid healing based on reprogramming cells using gene transcription factors. In the article next, there's a photo illustrating osteoblasts and cell differentiation. Another type of specialized cell is the osteoblast, which synthesizes bone matrix. They are, in teamwork with other bone cells, responsible for formation, resorption, and remodeling of bone. At the root is the stem cell, produced in adults in the bone marrow. Undifferentiated stem cells can then become many other types of cells, cued by growth factors, hormones, small chemicals, and extracellular matrix. Another type of stem cell, and the most malleable, is the pluripotent or embryonic blastocyst. Recently has been shown that adult stem cells can be genetically reprogrammed to behave like pluripotents. Stem cell therapy, part of this next chapter of regenerative medicine, is already in use, as well as, of course, undergoing much development. Another recently discovered and surprising source of stem cells is human adipose or fat tissue. Quotation here. Adipose tissue derived stem cells are mesenchymal cells with the capacity for self renewal and multipotential differentiation. This multipotentiality allows them to become adipocytes, chondrocytes, myocytes, osteoblasts, and neurocytes, among other cells. Another cellular candidate set to revolutionize regenerative medicine and bioengineering is the mutated cancer cell, or immortal cell. The mutation it undergoes allows the ongoing production of telomerase, and thus the ongoing regeneration of telomeres and indefinite cell division. The trick is harnessing this mechanism for a solely positive effect. The short answer to that is examining the complex catalytic proteins and reactions, possibly with AI assisted sequencing, allowing certain processes to be tapped and yet also limited. And this amounts to using digital and electronic concepts in conjunction. These techniques to indeed help us deep learn ourselves. has been the final part 4 of maximizing human regenerative processes. Well, of course, this is the final part 4 of the article from 2021. Of course, there is much more to say on that topic. And that is very, very likely to come on this podcast series. For the original text of the article, including all the references, check the site studioshangri-la.maison. Thanks for listening to this episode, and there's surely more to come.